Sanjay Hegde, your reading of the Supreme Court verdict and its impact.
Look, the Supreme Court had to only interpret an earlier doctrine laid down by it in the late 80s. That was a 5-judge bench which said that in case there is inordinate delay, somebody can come back to the court and say, now please commute the sentence or do not put the death sentence into play.
Right.
So therefore, an examination on the facts of the delay was possible. The Supreme Court now, after examining the facts of the delay in respect of Bhullar, has said, no, it does not warrant a directive from the Supreme Court directing a commutation. So therefore, the delay which has occurred in Bhullar's case does not inure to his benefit. This is on the facts of Bhullar's case. While this will have a persuasive effect in the other cases, it is not a given that in all cases the delay will not be fatal. So as far as the LTT and the other cases are concerned, the court may consider them independently.
Oh, so this will not set a precedent, you're saying?
No, no. I am saying that the precedent was already set much earlier. That if there is a delay, there is a possibility that the death sentence can be commuted. But each decision will have to be examined on the facts of the case. Who caused the delay? Is the delay absolutely fatal? So that there is no option but to bring it down to a life sentence. Then they examined that the doctrine into operation in Bhullar's case. They examined the delay and they are satisfied that the delay is not fatal and therefore the death sentence can still be carried out.
Mr. Hegde, what are Bhullar's legal options at this stage? Does he still have legal options, or is it now for the jail authorities and the Ministry of Home Affairs to take the decision?
The jail authorities can take a decision, can execute him. But till such time that the execution happens, Mr. Bhullar still has legal options. He can keep coming with another fresh mercy petition to the president. He may also file a review petition in the Supreme Court. But merely because of the fact that petitions are pending, it does not amount to an automatic stay. There is no impediment on the death sentence being carried out.
So now the decision has to be taken, Mr. Hegde, by Mr. Sushil Kumar Shinde, the Union Home Minister.
No, there is nothing which is now pending on Kumar Shinde's table. The death warrant has to be issued by the concerned sessions judge. They say the warrant will then be communicated to the jailer and the jailer will have to put it into effect. This is a normal procedure. That procedure can go ahead unless there is a stay from any authority or any court.
But can there be a stay from any court at this stage now that the Supreme Court has already decided? Can a lower court or a high court give stay?
I am just giving you hypothetical possibilities. It is very unlikely that any court will be staying it. It is very unlikely that the Supreme Court will take a fresh look at it. I am only telling you that there is no impediment in the death sentence being carried out. If the authorities act fast enough, they can carry it out. But till that time, Mr. Bhullar or anybody on his behalf can approach any authority to try and get a stay. If they get a stay, good luck to them.